Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. YG Marley sees green. Now YG, the son of Lauryn Hill and Rowan Marley, has become the first reggae artist to grace the Billboard Hot 100 chart since Jay-Z and Damon Junigang Marley's BAM reached number 47 in 2017. The song, co-crafted with his 8-time Grammy-winning mother, debuted at number 74 on the chart. It has since climbed to number 60, marking YG's first appearance on the chart. The song, inspired by Bob Marley and the Wailers' 1978 classic Crisis, gained momentum after being featured in Lauryn Hill's tour. It has over 75 million Spotify streams.
I want to introduce you guys to my young son. His name is YG Marley. I call him Josh, though.
Sad friend, make some noise one time.
Turn that up. Y'all got any Bob Marley fans in the house? Turn it up.
Make some
Come on,
noise.
YG Marley. Tell 'em.
Now, is there a Kelly Rowland album in the works? Kelly Rowland is set to make her return to the studio to lay down vocals for new music. The singer has not dropped a project or released any music since her 2021 EPK, which features tracks such as Flowers, Speed of Love, and Better. Set to make her debut leading role in the movie with Tyler Perry's erotic thriller Mea Culpa. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.